Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, we're going to get unready again. Oh, pagkatapos kasi sayang yung makeup, guys. My God, how are you by the way? Today magmamask tayo kasi marami akong ginamit na foundation. Kailangan nating mag-cleanse. So be with me as I do the clay mask gagamitin natin para mawala yung mga impurities sa ating buhay. So let's start off by taking this. By the way guys, if you're a returning subscriber, salamat naman at nandito kayo ulit. And if you're bago, new here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as usual, kasi wala talaga akong makeup remover na nandito ngayon during this time of quarantine. And ayoko namang pumunta doon sa maglalagala at humanap ng mga makeup remover na meron naman ako. I'm a type of person na nagtitipid talaga. So kung ano yung meron ako, happy na ako as long as it will do the job. Hindi na ako maghahanap pa ng iba-iba. Just ko, stick to one tayo, besh. Okay? Ha? So, tanggalin na natin ang ating makeup na pinaghirapan nilang oras. Ito pala guys ay yung Rain Me na makeup inspired. Rain on Me. Ano ba yan? Pagagalitan pa ako ni Miss Rihanna at Lady Gaga nito, no? So, we're going to slowly take it off. My God. Wala na. Ilang oras mong pinaghirapan tapos kailangan mo nang matulog kaya kailangan namang magtanggal ng makeup kasi bawal matulog na may makeup, besh. So, unahin natin ang ating eyes. Kahit nahirapan tayo dito ng bonggang-bongga, no? So, I'm going to wipe everything out and I'll be back and magmamask tayo, ha? Kudos talaga sa makeup. Ano nito? Kasi tingnan nyo guys, ito super tagal tong tanggalin. Pero dito sa makeup remover na to, oh, ang dali niya natanggal. And tingnan nyo naman, grabe. And sorry guys, I'm back kasi nilinisan ko tong banda dito and then I decided to double cleanse using this ito Dermatoclean kasi meron pa talagang natitirang excess sa ating face. Ano naman siya, super gentle to sa face guys, kaya ginagamit ko to double cleanse. Ito lang kasing meron talaga ako. I really love to use yung oil cleansing products, pero since ito yung nandito, gamitin na natin, no? And I decided na mag face mask na lang muna before taking a bath kasi para diretso na, one go na siya. Ang hirap talaga kunin yung mga residue ng mga gel liner, mga liners. Ina tayo for a deep cleansing. Ito siya, deep cleansing clay mask, clear proof clay mask or deep cleansing charcoal mask. Ito yung gagamitin natin today. I super love this guys if I think I need my face a break and getting rid of all the dirt. So meron akong ginawang review for this and how to use it. So this is said to be suitable for all skin tones and skin types, and to use this you need to apply an even layer over clean skin and then transforming from you need to leave it on skin to 10 to 20 minutes. So ganito siya, and ito yung ano niya siya, ha? And for me, ilalagay ko siya directly sa aking face. Ang ganda nito guys, super therapeutic yung amoy and basta super, parang nagpa-spa ka talaga. Alam nyo yung amoy ng spa, ganon siya. This is from ano pala guys, Mary Kay. I got this when I attended one of their seminars. Siya twice a week. Pero maganda daw, 2 to 3 times a week. We're going to leave this for 20 minutes or sometimes gusto ko talaga siyang yung mag-dry up talaga, sinasak yung mga impurities, mga dirt sa mukha ko. So, nililive ko siya ng 30 minutes. And then after that, you're going to follow with your preferred moisturizer and rinse it pala. After rinsing it, so okay na. Nilalagay dito, this triple action charcoal mask makes skin feel deeply cleansed while improving overall skin clarity. It is clinically shown to instant absorb excess oil and reduce shine. See you after 20 minutes. So, update guys, hindi na ako makapagsalita kasi super hard na. And we're almost done sa ating almost 20 minutes na guys. Ito siya. And I'm thirsty. I'm here. Oh my god! So refreshing yung mukha ko. Super, super, super tight. And right now guys, iaano natin siya. Last 2 steps before pa ako matutulog. So, I need to finish this one because I'm currently using the Misaki Rejuvenating Set. Ito siya. So, sabi ni sis may-ari ng Misaki, ano na daw, meron silang bagong packaging. I don't know, ang soap yata yun. Excited ako doon. And, ito, maglalagay lang tayo ng toner. Kasi, dapat consistent tayo, besh. Huwag namang idiin, no? Ganyan. Last step is the rejuvenating cream. So, para na rin tong moisturizer, guys. It has an anti-acne, it has a smoothening, skin renewal, whitening, and it tightens pores. Paubos na siya. Dito ako, maraming pores. Malalaki yung pores ko dito na banda. Kaya dito ko siya kinoncentrate. Lagyan. Para na rin siyang moisturizer, guys. Hindi na ako gaanong nag-iingay kasi gabi na. Gabi na. And matagal ako natapos sa ginawa ko na makeup tutorial. And I'm super excited. Sana ma-check nyo yun, guys. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box. Yun nga lang. Ano talaga siya. Mahapdi siya. So, at nagpipeel. Pero so far, I'm really loving the result. Yeah, I'm super ready to sleep. Thank you so much for being with me guys in this video. Alam ko naman na hopefully I know na harsh tong ginagawa ko sa skin ko konti, but then alam ko naman na maganda ang kinalalabasan nito, and then okay rin naman siya. Second time ko nang ginamit to kasi usually yung rejuvenating set, after using it after a month, you should stop also using it for a whole month. And then ito, parang second set ko na to. Kaya nagustuhan ko kasi siya nung first na-apply ko, kaya I decided to apply it again, especially now that we have quarantine and di tayo ganong lumalabas. It's really the best time for this. So, yeah. Thank you so much for being with me guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm going to place all the products that I use Hindi naman marami. But then, last but not the least, naglalagay pala ako ng lip balm. So, ito, gustong-gusto ko to. Binigay to from my hotel. Hopefully, they're fine, right? Fine, kasi nag-announce sila na mag-ano muna, parang hindi naman close, isuspend mo na yung ano nila, services. So, ito yon lip balm. So, pag wala naman kayong lip balm na ganito, pwede rin Vaseline. So, I'm going to sleep now. I'm super tired and hopefully tomorrow, full of positivity ulit. Bye-bye for now. God bless you all. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.